In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Docs one page. If you have a document that is just barely spilling onto a second page, there are a couple of simple ways to bring everything back onto a single page without having to rewrite your content. In this walkthrough, I'll show you two quick methods you can use inside Google Docs to help condense the document while keeping it readable and neat. The first method is to reduce the page margins. To do that, open your document, then go to the File menu and click Page Setup. This opens the settings that control the layout of your document page. Here, you'll see the margin settings for the top, bottom, left, and right sides of the page. Lower each of these margins slightly. The idea is to create a bit more usable space on the page without making the layout look too cramped. You don't need to make dramatic changes. Even a small reduction can sometimes be enough to move a few extra lines up and eliminate that unwanted second page. Once you've adjusted the top, bottom, left, and right margins, click OK to apply the changes. If that alone doesn't get your document down to one page, the second method is to decrease the font size slightly. Start by selecting all the text in the document. A quick way to do that is by pressing Ctrl and A on your keyboard. This highlights everything at once, which makes it easy to apply a formatting change across the entire document. Next, choose a slightly smaller font size. For example, if your document is currently using size 12, try changing it to size 11. This is often a very effective adjustment because it reduces the amount of space each line of text takes up while still keeping the document readable. It's a small change visually, but it can make a big difference in fitting your content onto one page. When using either of these methods, it's a good idea to check the overall appearance of the document afterward. You want the page to still look professional and easy to read. Small adjustments usually work best, especially if the document only goes a few lines onto a second page. That's one of the ways to make a Google Docs file fit onto one page. Thanks for watching.